Is your Windows operating system reporting the Device Query Broker Service DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. Before we begin our Device Query Broker Service troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Device Query Broker Service. It manages the background enumeration of system hardware and localized found new hardware triggers. If corrupted, the device manager will lag significantly, and users will report that new USB peripherals are not being detected by the system. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Devquerybroker belongs to the Windows system core. Running sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt will scan for corruption and replace missing or damaged versions automatically. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing device query broker service message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Device Query Broker Service DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for Device Query Broker Service. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Device Query Broker Service critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.